Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best bicycle floor pump that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best bicycle floor pump. For the cycling lover who wants to buy the incredible quality and convenient pump, I would recommend you with these gorgeous pumps. They are so called the specialist for bike tires because they are designed in the latest technology that equipped with a high quality material and components. These 10 items are cycling lovers who care about your bike tires. Number 5. BV Bicycle Floor Pump with Gauge and Smart Valve Head. This pump is available in two colors, yellow and silver. The solid and sturdy bike pump is the perfect bicycle pump for competitive and social riders. Main features: comfortable handle, ergonomically designed, steel barrel. Number 4. Surface FP35 Floor Pump Black. With that in mind, Surface is always striving to make products that reflect those wants and needs. Performance and customer service is reflected in our innovative products. Main features: durable metal barrel and nylon base, dual valve pump head, ergonomic handle. Number 3. Topeak Blow Sport 2 Floor Air Pump. No adapters or swapping out pump head parts, simply choose the side you want, press onto the valve stem, flip the locking lever, and start pumping. Main features: tested to ensure quality and durability. Made using high-quality materials. Made in Taiwan. Number 2. Custom Accessories 57,773 70 PSI Deluxe Hand Pump. From interior accessories, exterior accessories, car care, steering wheels covers, compasses, tire gauges, air compressors. Main features: universal air pump. Half-inch steel barrel. 70 PSI capacity. Number 1. Surface TCPG Bicycle Floor Pump. With that in mind, is always striving to make products that reflect those wants and needs. Our 20+ year commitment to quality, performance and customer service. Main features: all metal barrel and nylon base, switch valve and simple designs enable 160 PSI capacity. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.